Good morning everyone. Today it's 25 of May. It's a special day here in France. It's Happy Mother's Day. This flower I have here, guys, is an offer. They offered me. My darling, it's offering me that. And my daughter is the one cut perhaps in our garden. Thank you, Mashiri.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, darling.
This premiere, this video is taken here in France, of course, because the Mother Day is just in Europe, especially in France. I will go out or just stay here in the house because it's raining. Go, baby, and I will show you what we have here in our small circulation of a green plant. Our zucchini, Papa, soon we can harvest, huh?
Yeah. Very soon.
I make a loop first because after I will make a juice. I will set up a primer today. I bring you there in my nice plant. I have a garden, a little garden. I forgot where is my cat hat. It's here.
Tu aurais attendu 1 heure. C'est pas 1 heure, c'est 5 minutes de plus.
Mais après, c'est ce que je dis, je vais répéter après.
C'est quoi?
Je lui dis, tu aurais attendu
5 minutes,
5 minutes de plus et.
On était là.
Je lui dis, on était sur le terrain, on n'était pas là.
Guys, I have a very nice lettuce, small lettuce in our box. I need a vegetable box to plant our lettuce. Here we are. Look at that. This is a red oak variety, and this one, it's a Batavia. It's better we have our own garden because every time we wanted to eat, we can harvest right away and it's fresh. And this is a bio lettuce garden. And of course I plant also different kind. We have some strawberries too. This is boxes also what I'm doing. Soon we can eat these fruits. I plant tomatoes, herbs. That one, it's a dill. Dill is usually we use a lot these herbs for our salmon grills, salmon with cream. Here again, my tomato start to have flower. Where you go, baby? Shiri, don't lock because I will go out, baby. Open the gate. Marie Claire, open the gate.
No!
I need to go outside. Open first. I'm the one who will lock. This is artichoke. We call this artichoke. And that one is a Swiss chord. And roses, of course. And our apple. Our grocery. fruits, a lot of fruits, but it's not ready. This is a time. It's a herbs. That is a flower of a time. We use a lot this for the kitchen. My raspberry. Wow, this is my rhododendron. It bloom a lot now, my anniversary rose. How beautiful, very healthy. We use a biofertilizer. And this is big one. So beautiful flower, is a massive one. A lot of big. And that's my friend. Look at that blossom. Cherry. It's a Russian cherry. I planted everywhere where there is a place to plant. It's a lettuce, it's a red of lettuce, December variety. That's the first one I show you. They enter the house. Papa, he gives something, Marie?
Bon, écoute, passe une belle journée. Là, on est en train de d'éplucher du céleri, tu sais, pour faire sécher les feuilles, pour avoir du céleri en poudre tout l'hiver. Voilà. Écoute, je
Regardez,
te fais
baby.
un gros bisou, mon grand, et puis portez-vous bien tous. Hein, et merci d'avoir appelé. Au revoir. Yes, Marie, give us something. You know the one we forget? The
I
leeks.
give that to us last time.
But last night, the leeks.
I will make now my juice because I will make our dessert. Is that, Papa?
Yeah, okay.
What is our dessert?
The banana.
Moi, je vais manger un gâteau au chocolat.
You want to make your banana flambé?
Mais
No, we will wrap. We have mini bricks.
No, but otherwise, if you want to make your banana flambé, and you wrap it after.
No, I prefer the bricks, mommy.
But Papa, you cannot wrap after. They
Oh,
will
yes.
juice. No, cannot. It's must you cook it in the
Ça sur la table, je te dis, tu le mets là. Je vais les mettre là.
I join the video. Here I
Here
am. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. This is in Europe, is in France, the Mother's Day. In Philippines, it's done already.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
On pourra aller le voir si on va en
Bye.
On pourra aller le voir.
Oh la la, so busy si Kwasa. Thank you, bye.